bathtub, back-to-back, single-unit toilet, and more. So let's start with the basic. Plumbing installation is a critical component in both residential and commercial buildings. It ensures the efficient and hygienic use of water, one of our most fundamental daily needs. This process involves the integration of a complex system of pipes, valves, and fixtures to supply water, remove waste, and provide the modern conveniences we often take for granted. In this chapter, various plumbing layouts will be presented for the readers to see how the different parts were combined and installed together as a working unit. Likewise, the materials used were itemized to serve a visual aid to the plumbing designer in the preparation of the material of costing. Next. So next to the cost estimate, which is a crucial factor in any construction project. Cost estimate is a determining factor of any project study where final decisions are based. The plan of any piping installation would not be considered complete unless accompanied by a listing of the materials to be used. So, next. Moving on to the single-unit toilet and bath. This is one of the most common bathroom designs. It connotes a small and simply well-arranged comfort room equipped with one water closet and lavatory with shower and surface faucet, or sometimes with a small bathtub. So, again, ito siya ang pinaka-floor plan sa sininga design. So, may kanisin shower area, may water closet, plus lavatory. So, ano siya sa kapos, may yan pinaka-install sa pipe about sininga design. So, next. So, this is the actual picture of single-unit toilet and bath. As the slide indicates, this setup features the toilet and the toilet. Tapos, bathtub or shower area. So, ano yung shower area? Tapos, natin ang lavatory. Which is contained within the same room. Providing a compact and efficient setup is popular due to its space-saving nature. Next. So, next, we will explore the specific components and materials used in this type of plumbing materials. So here are some to provide the detailed list of materials required for the house. Sa house drain, lining sa hawis and well pipe, water supply, tapos, and fixtures and accessories. So it gives us a comprehensive understanding in the components needed to ensure a properly functioning plumbing system for this layout. Next. So another important aspect to consider is in this design is the placement of the house shower. The house shower is determined by measuring the distance from the house drain terminal point to the main sewer or to the septic tank. Ensuring a proper positioning and connection of the house shower is crucial for the efficient functioning of the entire system. This is why an accurate estimate of materials is so important, as it needs to account for the specific requirements for the shower's location and integration with the rest of the plumbing components. So additionally, it emphasizes the plumbing plan should be based on the carefully prepared layout and isometric drawing. This level of detail is essential for a comprehensive understanding of the materials needed and the overall feasibility of the installation. Attempting to create a bill of materials without these fundamental requirements is not recommended. As it can lead to issues down the line. And entrusting plumbing work to experienced professionals is highly recommended. Next. So moving on to the single-unit toilet with bathtub. This layout also features the toilet and bathtub are contained within the same room. This setup is practical and space efficient, providing all the necessary facilities for personal hygiene in one compact space. So, adi space, providing all the essential bathroom functions in a compact footprint. Then the integrated design of the toilet and bathtub can contribute to a more cohesive and visual appealing aesthetic, while also simplifying the plumbing installation process. This design is also represents a versatile and space-conscious solution for bathroom planning, offering a comprehensive set of amenities in a streamlined configuration. So next. So just like from the previous subtopic, these are also the list required for this design. The material for house drain, sa waste pipe ventilation, tapos sa water supply, tapos sa fixtures and other accessories. So the data list ensures a comprehensive understanding for the components needed for this plumbing installation. Next. So for those multiple bathrooms, we have the back-to-back single unit toilet. So this design is commonly out in duplex type residential houses and other types such as multi-door apartment and row houses for economical reasons. So, adila niya floor plan, adi magiging shower area, tas adi back-to-back adi water closet, at adi lavatory. So, adan niya pag-install sa iya pipes. Next. So, ayan sample sa actual na design scene. So, in this arrangement, two toilets are installed in opposite sides of a shared wall. But at the same time, each individual bathroom maintains its own privacy and functionality, ensuring the needs of the occupants are met. Next. So, these are also the materials required for the house drain, so main vent, waste and branch vent, water supply installation, tapos sa kanya, fixtures and accessories. So, the shared plumbing lines between the two toilets can make the installation process more cost-effective. Next. So, this host for the lavatory and water closet is a popular choice in this type of installation, as it offers several advantages over traditional materials. They are chosen for their flexibility, making them easy to install and adjust to different angles. These hoses are also convenient for repairs and replacements, as they can be easily disconnected and replaced if needed. Additionally, their durability reduces the risk of water leaks, ensuring a reliable and efficient plumbing system.